welcome back to my channel. I know I'm super duper late. You must be throwing different things from behind the camera. You cannot do that, sorry. I'm really sorry. I know I'm super late. My exams were going on and everything was really in a very bad condition. Now even the conditions are really bad. I hope each and every one of you is safe. You sanitizer, stay at home, don't go outside. It's a really scary world right now. It's not, we cannot tell it negative because we stay in that society, but yeah, it is good that we accept it and just fight with it, right? So today I'll be doing my makeup and at the same time I'll be talking to you. So I think this is going to be a chit chat. Get ready with me because I seriously don't know. मैं बस बैठ के film कर रही हूँ. I have no idea what this video is going to turn out to be. But yeah, stay with me. I'm shooting late at night today. It's 9:30 right now. And I'm shooting right now because लेट नाइट सब साइलेंट होता है, कोई नहीं जाता. हमारा यहाँ पे 9 बजे के बाद वी कैनॉट go out curfew. So yeah, let's quickly get in with the video. I have not done my makeup from so many days. I thought I really wanted to do my makeup today, so I thought why not do it in the camera with you guys, because ऐसे ही I haven't been active from a really long time, so I thought let's do this. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. So I'll be starting by priming my face. So I'm gonna use this one. This is the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So guys, how you all have been? Tell me, मुझे जानना है. And tell me in the comments down below, like what more videos now you want me to do, because now I'm back. I think I can film now. मेरा laptop भी ख़राब था. There was a lot of issue जिसके वजह से I was not able to film. So yeah, if you want me to do, then please tell me what videos you want me to do right now. I do see that. Okay, sorry, I forgot. Thank you for 400 subscribers. I'm so happy. I'm overwhelmed that I haven't posted video and still people are there watching my videos. It's a really big thing for a small YouTuber like me. Yeah. This is a new thing that I have been trying and I'm loving it. Is putting this rosehip oil. This is from Good Vibes. This is a broken one. I cannot carry it everywhere, so I just take one drop, like 1-2 drops of it, rub it between my hands and then just put that on my face. I have a pimple right here. पता नहीं कहाँ से आया है. There are a lot of pimples in my face now. I don't know, but yeah, it's there. Cannot help, just accept and move on, guys. Cannot do anything else about it. You see that glow? That is what I really like about this serum. It gives you hydration and at the same time it gives you a really nice glow. I just love it. My voice must be sounding really harsh because I have cold, so please bear with me. I really wanted to do this video because it's been a long time and I really miss doing YouTube videos. I used to love the time I started because of this lockdown. I started my YouTube channel and it's been 1 year I have been doing it. It's a really long time. I enjoy the time I do it. So yeah. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is use a primer. Primer is important for my pores, so I'm gonna use this one. This is from Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. I just love this primer. I've been using this from the day one. This is my first primer, by the way. This is the first primer I have ever used. I just use it near my nose because there is where I have a lot of pores, like in my T section basically. Actually, I was checking this primer in Nykaa. इसका रेट बढ़ गया है. It was before of 499 rupees and now it's in 549 rupees. I don't know why, but the price is increased. I don't know why. If you guys know, let me know that in the comment section down below, but I don't know why that happened. Okay, So let's move into the foundation. Today we're gonna do, I don't know what we're gonna do, let's just go with the flow. We'll know what we're gonna do today. So yes, I'm gonna use this foundation today. This is also from Nykaa. This is the Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. And guys, tell me क्या चल रहा है सबका? Have you guys been good? I'll tell you the story. My laptop was literally gone, you guys. It's literally gone. By the way, anyone who is wondering, the shade is in the shade 07 Hot Honey. This is exactly my shade. I love this foundation, by the way. Love this foundation too much, you guys. So actually my laptop was in a really bad condition, you guys. मेरा laptop बहुत ख़राब हो गया था. I was not being able to use it. बहुत hang हो रहा था and it was not at all in a good condition, and that is why I was not able to edit any videos. So there was no point of me making the videos when I cannot edit it. So मैंने लैपटॉप दिया हुआ था 1 महीने से एंड इट वॉज इन द, अभी माई लैपटॉप इज़ रियली लाइक नाउ इट इज़ इन अ वेरी गुड कंडीशन. पूरा प्रिपेयर होके आ गया है. आई कैन एडिट वीडियोज नाउ फाइनली. इफ यू हियर अ साउंड देन इट इज़ ऑफ AC बिकॉज AC ऑन है एंड इट्स वेरी हॉट यू गाइज. बिना AC के यहाँ पे बैठा नहीं जा रहा है एंड मैं ऊपर हूँ. सो येस. So I'll be using a lightening concealer, and this is from Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer. Okay, I have this concealer, but I don't know why I never used to use this concealer. Don't know why. I'm just gonna use a little bit on the high points of my face. Take my foundation brush and blend it. This is from PAC, by the way. It's a really nice versatile brush. I really like this brush. You see how easily it blended out. I love this concealer. Have you all been good? Give me a recommendation, guys. What video would you like to see? I was thinking kurti haul करना है because I got the request like so back, but I was not able to do it because फिर मेरा exams and all आ गया and everything got messed up, so I was not able to do it. As you can see, I'm just tapping it. I'm not brushing it off. I'm just tapping it. It gives you more coverage if you tap the concealer and not just drag it. I really like how my face is looking right now. I'm doing makeup like after so long, you guys. We have to use a powder just to set all those concealer in place. We have to use a powder. So I'm gonna use this one. This is from Blue Heaven. You guys know I love this powder. I always use this. So I'm gonna take a little bit of it. I'll not be baking. I'll just be putting it. I'll not be baking today. Love how my skin is matte. I just love when my skin is really matte and it looks good. Let's do our brows quickly. For brows, I'm gonna use this one from Maybelline. It's Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. I've been using the Nykaa one from a really long time. I used to use this before, then I stopped using it. I don't know. The thing which I don't like about this pencil is you need an extra spoolie with it. It does come with a powder, but then you need a spoolie for your brows. So yeah. I'm doing nothing, just filling in the sparse gaps that are there. I'm not doing any extra carving out stuff. So my inner corner highlights are also done. I think this makeup just look stunning even without lipstick right now. Okay, so the lipstick that I'm gonna use today is from Nika K. It's their True Matte and it's in the shade Turkish Rose. I love this shade so much. It's a very popular shade. Many of the YouTubers use this shade. It's really nice. It suits every skin tone. That is what I think. Really nice shade it is. You'll just see when I put it. You see that this shade is just beautiful. I really love how my makeup has turned out. It looks glamorous, it looks just chiseled and really nice. This is how my face looks right now. I think there is too much of light. I have to reduce the light. It's better where you can see how my makeup looks. It looks really nice. I'll just be right in a minute. This is how my makeup looks at the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I see my analytics and there are like 90% of people don't subscribe to my channel. They see it but they don't subscribe. Please, it will be really nice help for me. I don't know, it's free guys. You can subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification right next to it so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. I promise to upload every week. I promise. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to keep it, but I'll try my best until मेरा laptop ये वो खराब नहीं हो जाता. अभी तक I'll be uploading videos. So yeah guys, do let me know your suggestions in the comments down below. I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay at home. Bye.